It's your boy back with another video. Man, I'm loving this camera quality, man. Only thing I don't like about the phone, man, I ain't quite figured out how to work everything, man. The iPhone got a whole lot of stuff, man, in there, but it's good as far as like for me editing and everything, man. I just gotta learn some different stuff about it. But as of right now, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see I got the L code next to me, man. So I got a job to do, man. I'm doing another headliner. I got a X-Type Jag. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to go through y'all, show y'all a couple little pieces, man. And we're gonna take the headliner out. We're gonna refurbish the headliner, which that means we're gonna put a new headliner up. You know what I'm saying? And it's not gonna be a one-day situation, you know what I'm saying? Because I still gotta get material, I gotta prep it and all those things like that. And we're not gonna rush it. We're gonna make sure we turn the headliner from ashy to classy, you know what I'm saying? And for to walk y'all through it, man. Yes, sir, y'all see it, man. I always break that pack down, man. So y'all see the clips snap on like this and they just slide over like this so you can get to your bolts all the way around. You know what I'm saying? I got to my bolts up here, which is some covers. Also got my sunroof situation down. They got some snap ends up front and you just slide them forward. You know what I'm saying? And then I don't plan on taking this whole thing down. I'm gonna go ahead and push this through there when I drop the headliner. Y'all see I got my side panels down. Same thing on the other side ready. So let me start unbolting these bolts right here so we can start dropping the headliner and everything, and we're gonna make it do what it do. Let's get it. So y'all see we got the visors down. I got all the handles off on this side. You know what I'm saying? Working my way around. And then we're gonna drop it down, and then we're gonna start unplugging the visors. And then we're gonna go ahead and remove the headliner in just a bit, man. You know what I'm saying? The light's gonna come down with the actual headliner itself. So we're gonna pop these out and we're gonna send them through. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all know what comes to a sleeper, a dreamer. You know what I'm saying? So if you sleeping, you dreaming. You know what I'm saying? So I'm back at it right now. Y'all hear that cold start? Big chop status. Yeah, man. So right now I'm on my way. If y'all watched yesterday's video, went out and got the headliner material. The headliner is down. So the next move is to get the new headliner material on the headliner. You know what I'm saying? And if I'm so, you know what I'm saying, a master of my abilities, I should be able to put the headliner in. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned. Let's get it. See what time it is, man. Hot than them. It's hotter than hot. But man, I got the thing glued in. And man, you know I'm a master of my abilities. I also got it inside the vehicle. So I'm gonna let y'all check that out, man. And man, we win the battles, man. Gotta win the battles. You gotta win the battles. Y'all see behind me, man. Yes, sir. Yep. You gotta win the battles, man. Definitely gotta win the battles, man. Y'all see what time it is, man. Everything is in there. See the lights is working back there. You know what I'm saying? The heat's gonna make all the lines come out. Cause you know what I'm saying? Normally people use a steamer. I don't have a steamer. And with this type of material, they gotta kind of go itself in. But I'm gonna spin the camera around, let y'all check it out, man. We got all the lights working. You see behind me. Everything is working as it should, you know what I'm saying? And that's how it's supposed to go when you get your headliner done. So make sure y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. What time it is, man? Night for me. I turned up, now it's time to shut it down. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Who knows, I might get in something a little bit later on, man. But y'all know what time it is, man. Book your appointment, let's get it. Yes, sir, y'all know what time it is, man. Get your Box Chevy War shirt. And also, come get you some rims, man. There's wheels everywhere. It's Forgiatos, we got Vogues, we got 3-piece wheels, we got 2-piece wheels, man. We got them snowflakes, we got them Dubs, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all come to Dub City Tires, man. And also, come holler at your boy Fly Roy, or you can holler at Stunner Reese, man, and get you a Box Chevy War shirt. Let's get it.
All the homies that slide for me, I can never take back all the shit we been through. And I hope you feel this love that I'ma send you. Loyalty ain't the same now. They do anything for a name now. That's why we finish at the game.